Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Megan. Nice to meet you.
Hi, how are you?
Hi. Okay. Today I want to do a look, but I don't know if I want to do something creative or a regular look and just like throw a big fat bold liner on it, because I've been really into these big liner looks lately and everybody's been doing it, so I might just do that. If not, then we're gonna go with something creative and we'll figure it out, you know? Yeah. But what I do know is I do want to go with something purple, because if you follow me on IG, you can see right now on my timeline I'm doing purple looks because it has to match up with my middle pictures. Follow me on IG at SPW_08N. I'm supposed to say spawn, but the way Instagram is, like, so many people have that name already, so it doesn't even matter. So I had to change it up, you know, switch it up, make it different. So actually, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna do a smoky eye and purple glitter liner. Oh yeah, boy. Now let's just zoom y'all on in. Welcome to my personal area. Honestly, I can't even tell y'all where this brush is from because the numbers and stuff rubbed off of it, so it's just like, I know it's from BH Cosmetics though, and it came in a pack. Warrior 2 by Juvia's Place. Y'all been seeing what's going on with Juvia's Place? I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild brush. Hey,
that's pretty good.
well, now I'm gonna take the black and put it on my lid. Same thing on the other eye. And then I'm gonna use some purple glitter from Certify. I got it in a giveaway that I won like a while ago, and I always use their glues because their glues are fun. Might do the other one off camera because this was too much of a hassle.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Boom, glitter liner is done. Now I'm gonna use the AOA Studio Skinny Mascara because I have glitter all in my eyelashes now. Amazon. Taking this color, the first color we first used, putting that down first. Mascara. Thanks so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.
Don't keep my line no more. Oh, oh.